Hey there, Luke with Canix here. Today we're covering an exciting new update to Canix's Sage Intacct integration, and that is dimension support. So Canix now supports sending dimensions to Sage Intacct during Intacct purchase order and invoice creation from Canix POs and invoices. We support a number of dimensions, including department, location, and class, and these are selected on the Canix side and then pushed into Intacct when the order is created. I'm here in the Canix integrations page on our Sage Intacct tab. We've first made an update here to the Map Facilities card. We've added the ability to bulk apply entities, Sage Intacct entities, across your Canix facilities. So if you have one Sage Intacct entity that spans across multiple Canix facilities, we can quickly come in here and say, all right, we have this USA1 Sage Intacct entity. I want this to apply to Canix California, and we're going to update Canix Michigan to be USA1. We can bulk apply, and we'll see that those are updated very quickly. The other update here is requiring dimensions for each of these facilities. This can be done in bulk as well. So if we would like to select all of the dimensions to apply across and be required across all our Canix facilities, we can do so in the multi-select here. Or let's just say we want location to be required and selected. We can select our Canix facilities, bulk apply, save, and then now location will be required to be sent when we are sending POs and invoices to Intacct from these Canix facilities. I'm here in the Canix Oklahoma standalone facility here. So this is connected to the USA1 Sage Intacct entity. And then in this facility, we have required location and department. We can always update these individually as well. If we also wanted to send class, we can do it for an individual facility. Just got to make sure we go ahead and save. Now that we have started to set up our Sage Intacct requirements for dimensions, we can go ahead and send a order over to Sage and show what it looks like to select our dimensions on the Canix side. So for Canix PO, we just need to select the vendor who we're buying from. Let's say we're buying some mango flavoring, and we requested this to be delivered to today. Once we've created the order, we can come to purchase order actions, and this is where we send to Sage Intacct. Once our screen loads, we'll pre-fill with the vendor that's always been associated Green Farms Dairy before, and the item. We'll select our payment terms, and now with this update, we're able to select our dimensions. So previously, I've already selected location 100-20 for this item, so Canix will remember this mapping, similar to the behavior for items in vendors today. So this mapping should really be set up one time. And then we have two new dimensions we need to map to here that we required, department and class. So location's already pre-filled since we have set this as the default for this Canix item. So let's set our department. Let's say we're doing sales here. And then we'll select a Sage class. Let's say service line 2. We can see that we want to make sure to set this as the default for this Canix item. So the next time that I am purchasing the unit of measure 2 weight in the mango flavoring, this all will pre-fill on the dimension side. So we should really only have to do this once. If we have a massive order, let's say 10 to 15 to 20 line items, and we actually have the same department, same class, or same location that we want to set for all those items, we have this ability here to apply to all items on this order to quickly pre-fill that across the order. Once we have selected all of the required dimensions, we'll see that the dimensions have been filled out. This is collapsible. We can see the ones we have selected. And then we have the Send to Sage Intacct button enabled here. Now that we have these selected, we can send this order to Intacct and pass these dimensions along with the line item. Once our PO is successfully created, we'll get a success message. We'll be able to open up this PO. And we'll see here on our line item, we have that location 100-20, the sales department, and then that service line 2 class. I hope that the addition of dimensions to the Sage Intacct Canix integration is helpful for your operation. And as always, thank you for watching.